Softly, deftly, music shall caress you. Feel it, hear it, secretly possess you. Open up your mind, let your fantasies unwind in this darkness which you know you cannot fight. The darkness of the music of the night. Let your mind start a journey through a strange new world. Leave all thoughts of the world you knew before. Let your soul take you where you long to be. Only then can you belong to me. Floating, falling, sweet intoxication. Touch me, trust me, savor each sensation. Let the dream begin. Let your darker side give in to the power of the music that I write. The power of the music of the night. The music of the Suppertime! Suppertime! Behold the brimming bowl of meat and meal, which is brought forth to ease our hunger. Behold the flowing flagon, moist and sweet, which has been sent to slake our thirst. Wintertime's nice in the ice and snow. Summertime's nice with a place to go. Bedtime, overtime, halftime too, but they just can't hold a candle to my supper time. Oh yeah! Oh yeah. Bring on the hamburger. Bring on the bun. Papa's little puppy loves everyone, 'cause it's supper, super duper supper, supper, super pepper upper, supper, super duper supper time. Woo! Oh yeah! Bring on the meat. It's time to eat. Supper time. Supper time. Bring on the hot dogs. Bring on the sausage. Bring on the pizza. Bring on the Cheetos. Bring on the nachos. Bring on everything. Oh. So what's wrong with making mealtime a joyous occasion? Supper, super duper supper time. Oh, lying here in the laundry, recovering from the sedatives my humans slipped into my afternoon tuna, I feel an energy and clarity unlike any I have known. Everywhere I see signs of my humans' treachery, clues I have overlooked for years suddenly snap into focus. How many times has she tried to suck me up with her vacuum cleaner? How often has her radiator accidentally sprayed me with scalding steam while she played the innocent? What exactly does she plan to do with that Dutch oven she's never used? It's a 12-pound roaster, and I weigh 12 pounds. There was a time, not so long ago, when cats were masters of the earth. I know this in my bones. We would roam the outdoors at will, free of the hazards of speeding trucks and inbred toddlers with pointy sticks. We would eat fish, fowl, possum, gazelle, moose, even hippo. We would descend on our prey in packs like piranha and gnaw them to gleaming skeletons, our fangs soaked in their sweet and savory blood. But, little by little, the humans have enslaved us and reduced us to nothing more than sycophantic layabouts no better than dogs. Well, I say enough. The time of captivity has come to an end. I am the chosen one, the savior of all felines. I will reclaim what is ours.